Good morning, everyone. Glad to be back with you all after the long weekend. Good morning, good morning. How is everyone? You all ready for some trading this week? See if we can't make some money. Good morning, Bill. Outside Daily. Good morning, really, are you serious? So, what's your name? Really, are you serious? Let's see. Good morning, Discipline Warrior. Health Coach. Good morning, Christina. Welcome in. I try to remember everyone's name if I can. Good morning, Ken. It only takes me like 2 years. I have all the names down. So, what's everyone think about the market this morning? Good morning, Corey. Oh, I'm gonna talk to Team Bull. All right, Team Bull. We got like 10 minutes.
What's up, bro?
What's up? Good morning. Seen a lot of snow headed towards New Jersey up that way this weekend.
I've seen that too.
We're supposed to get some of it, so I'm kind of curious to see if we do.
I don't think bro can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can. Let me turn up my volume. I can barely hear anything.
What up?
Oh, not much, man. Just looking at charts. Hopefully, keeping the winning streak going this week.
What's the goal? That's what we want to do. Keep it moving. Morgan had a nice little gap down last day.
Looks like it may continue down.
I think so too.
What a game, the Indiana game.
That was great, huh?
I thought that. I mean, I didn't bet on it or anything, but I was. I figured they would win. They wanted it.
Winning no 5 stars. Hardly a few 4 stars. Just a team of guys that played together and went hard.
Whenever he run that touchdown in, that was insane. That was a good run. Quarterback.
Oh, he didn't. Listen, I would say that was a Josh Allen type play, but they actually won.
Yeah. What's up, Michelle? Did it? You can hang out here.
Grizzly, did you watch anything the hell this weekend?
I didn't get to watch much. No, I had pretty
I
busy.
just didn't. I can't remember, bro. Do you remember who the Bills played? Who beat the Bills this weekend? Like, for the life of me, I can't remember.
You're just wanting me to say it, huh?
Can you refresh my memory a little bit? Oh, it was the Broncos. We whooped that ass, baby. Built to mud. Woo! Absolute domination by the Denver Broncos. Domination. Complete whooping.
You know
Guess
that.
what?
You know that reminds me of though.
What?
Our fantasy league this year.
Yeah, those are called the Grizzly Broncos.
We're gonna have to like put some money on that next year, the fantasy.
You ready? You want a three-peat?
I'm gonna try. It takes some work to keep up with it, honestly. It is worth it. It's fun. I think I enjoyed it more than I do actually playing it.
Good morning, guys.
What's up, bro?
Good morning, Greg.
Hello, hello.
What's up, everyone? Welcome into live. I'm just talking with Team Bull. Looking for a retest of the overnight low.
Very good.
I'm not for sure what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be a little
Short.
patient because we was following through zones last night.
That was nice.
So let's see if we're making any sense today
Let's see here.
from a technical standpoint. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Good morning, Jay. Is it evening for you in the Philippines? Good morning. Oh. Shoulder popped. I don't really see a whole lot I like in this area right now, everyone. I'm going to do my best for you all. See if we can keep the winds rolling. See if we can keep them going. All right, everyone, you can share the lives. Let's get it. It's almost time. Got like 5 minutes to open. Good morning. Appreciate the likes. What's your favorite setups, Team Bull? What are you watching on NQ? I'm not crazy about anything right now, so. One thing I will watch is a sweep of that pre-market low. Reclaim it for a possible move up.
166.
What'd you say, Greg?
166. That's what you're looking for.
No, I was looking for lower down. Closer to the 100 area, 95, 25095
Okay.
is pre-market low. Nice. We fell through some zones overnight, so I'm not for sure that we're gonna have one of them days where we actually respect technicals. We'll see. Not CDP. I try not to think like that. I mean, it's a good question. For those that can't see, he asked me. Am I expecting a long overdue correction to happen in the next couple of weeks? I don't really like to think like that because it can give us a bias. I'm not. To me, I could zoom out in the higher time frames, give you my guess, but I do best just focusing on these time frames with you all and wait until we get to a key area and getting into the trade. This is it seems simple, but that's what works for me. I try not to guess which way we're going. I just wait till we get confirmation for a trade. That makes sense? I have no idea what the market's gonna do on a long-term basis like that. I invest bullish for years because I'm bullish in that term or that sense. But
All right, T-Bull, we got. All right, you should be able to share this one. We got 2 minutes. Got 2 minutes or 1 minute to load. Excuse me.
screen share is up, Team Bull. Can everyone see my screen well? TikTok, YouTube, you see everything clear? Just want to make sure if you can hear. Let's do this, Team Bull.
Let's get it.
We're
Make
heading
ourselves
to
some money
260
today.
now.
Awesome. Thank you. I mean, I consider it Kenny, but it's not one of my strategies, my go-to.
This is for you. All right, let's see here. Let's see what we can get, everybody. Remember this week?
Good morning, welcome in. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. I didn't trade yesterday, it just wasn't worth the risk. Looked like a couple of trades played out well. You know, it happens. Some days I decide just not worth the risk, ends up playing out well. It's just part of it. No FOMO. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. I see ZT, Wes, me. Good morning. VWAP reject. Good morning, Naya. V-Man. I see the crowd just now showing up. You all sleeping in this morning? Anyone I had my push day this morning. Had to take a break to let my trap finish healing. It's still not 100%. Hopefully, be better this week, but felt nice to hit a heavy push day. For that, Bobby, we're supposed to get some snow this coming weekend here in Tennessee. We'll see. I know up towards New Jersey is supposed to get quite a bit. It's feeling better. It's tolerable. Good morning, Austin. Is it sunny and warm in California? I'd like to visit California once. Nice strong open here. Interesting. Oh, yawn. Yawn. I have so much to do. All the Cali traders, I could. Let's see if we just like sell this move completely back off here in the next candle or two. Let's be patient. I'm not looking to take a trade for at least 10 more minutes. If you have any questions, drop them in chat, everyone. What do you mean, David? Could you explain? I'm not sure, Ghost. Kind of what I thought would happen here. With that big move up, we'll sell it back off and we'll chop for a second. Let's be very patient. I don't want you all losing money. It could be a tricky morning. I mean, I'm not following, David. Let me think here. I mean, if a level's valid until it's invalidated, David. I don't know exactly what levels you'd be talking about, but that's the way I see it. And when I'm day trading, I like to use the most current levels possible on the hourly time frame. So it's not the only way to do it, but that's just what I prefer. Bearish divergence. Okay, interesting. Now we're starting to get something to work with here. Still, I want to give this until the 15-minute range is in at least. I think that would be the smart move this morning. What do you all think? You agree with that? Or do you see something we should, possibly take before then? All right, ZT, you're heading out early today? I'll see you in the morning, okay? The previous week low area is the only area I'm interested in taking shorts at as far as zones go. But once we get this 15-minute range in, I'll have a better idea. You can't see it on my screen, TikTok. Let me adjust it. Right here, this area. Good morning, Ashley. Welcome in. No, I didn't trade yesterday. It wasn't worth the risk to me. Stock market was closed. Futures were open until what, like noon or something, or 1? Sometime. They closed early. I don't like trading half days. Jimmy, are the option premiums high today? I haven't looked. What's VIX at? Oh, gosh.
Good job. Thank you, Gene.
A few more minutes before I look for a trade, Teambo. I'm here. I'm just being patient. We do have a bearish divergence right now, but we've already made quite the move down since it started showing. Appreciate all the follows, TikTok. I'm live every morning, so if you haven't already, hit the follow. Oh, Greg said he's trying longs, everyone. Not a trade I'm taking, but he's trying them.
Start looking for any sort of trades. Wait for the 15-minute range to be in.
If you like trading with Greg.
So just start saying 20 minutes.
From what I see, we only have room up to 326.
Stop loss is, wanna put at 60 on my stop loss.
Hope it rips up for him though. I would love to see it. Danny, I'll take a look. I haven't. I'm streaming on my phone, so I'll have to check out the options selling after. You're welcome, Jessica. Appreciate you for joining. Rip up for Greg. Come on. One thing I love about Greg, though, win or lose, he just keeps going on with his day. You know.
We really don't have a whole lot of news this week either. What? Do we?
And Greg is not scared for sure.
No. We have pending home sales tomorrow. Then we have initial jobless claims, GDP.
Push up for him. Rip up to high day.
Consumer sentiment and PMI on Friday. It's up a little bit, but not a ton.
Come on, don't sell off yet.
Greg is a
Oh no.
interesting person.
What news do we have today? I
got
don't see any.
I got my DOD cup, in case y'all were wondering. I need to go sell the green car. I've just been slacking.
Gene said, nice, Greg. I was rooting for you there. Gene said he'd take it for a bonus, Jada.
Yeah. He'll kindly take it out of my hands.
Stop loss at break even, guys. Let's see if we can get 371. I will keep over here.
Gene wants a Hellcat. Durango.
Come on,
One more down.
give Greg high day.
Thank you. See if we can get another try.
It's gonna be a little warmer today. This weekend's game is gonna be freezing, Gene. It's gonna be freezing. The game on Sunday. Alright guys, 15-minute range is in. Let's start looking for a nice setup for the day. So we have our 15.
All right. Let's see if we can get a trade here. Greg got a trim off on that. Nice winning trade for him. That's what we wanted. I'm not sure if we'll hit a high day though here. Appreciate that, everyone, with the Supreme Court. Pushed up higher than I thought it would. I thought it'd reject 326 hard. It pushed up to what, like 341? Which is a solid move from his entry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got the dashboard confirmed at this level. I'd like to short here. Let's see. Her entry would have had to been up there where I said it should have rejected though. At 326, 320 area. What's up, J Dunn?
I was telling everyone I was going to Miami next weekend for this training event thing. I might have a T-Mobile meetup.
Nice.
And then I said, well, if you come, no getting drunk and fighting bouncers.
Oh yeah. No more fighting for me. I'm done with it. I've had enough in my life. It'd have to be something very important for me to fight over.
We're on our test to Meta World Peace. On our test to Meta World Peace.
We got a bearish divergence with VIX confirmed, so it's trying to point to the downside here. People are saying that the Supreme Court has another opinion reading scheduled for 10 a.m. today. So yeah. Wow, I just noticed that. It didn't. It's so weird. Like this chart is brand new and it's not updating the orb range well here. It is on the rest of my charts. I swear TradingView just does it. It just does different things on different charts through TradingView sometimes. Have y'all noticed how they're just not always consistent? I'm not just talking about indicators. I'm just talking about the charts in general. Let's see. I'm just gonna see if I can turn that on and off and see if it fixes it
Every one of y'all choosing discipline over
without
dope.
removing.
Trading smart, trading safe, staying focused. Yep. Grizzlies now Meta World Peace until further notice.
So that one worked. This is not wanting to work with that 15-minute range
Grizzlies
today.
not in any trades right now, not that I heard. Only trade was Greg earlier who took ones. I have not taken any trades, and I don't believe Grizzly has either.
Not yet. Oh, Lord. Let's see. I'm just going to put this on the 30-minute YouTube. I'm going to leave the TikTok on the 15-minute.
If you're struggling,
I'll
if you struggle,
I'll update my chart as soon as this is over to fix that.
Use that little actually. Take that back. I spoke too soon.
I feel like we need to let this 10 o'clock news get out of the way.
What do we have at 10?
It's the Supreme Court on tariffs.
Probably gonna be the same deal where they just extend it.
Yeah, just to waste our time.
And even if there was no news, I always say I think everyone should have hard stops in, no matter what.
Is anyone
No matter
still
what,
on
everyone
entry
should have
notes?
hard stops in.
The only reject area I have, everyone, for shorts is this previous week low. If you see my chart, Teambo. This area right here is kind of a small zone, but it's the only reject area I like.
We're gonna do some full volume confirmation. I'm gonna join that move. I'm gonna join any sort of move.
Jevon, create a new chart, reapply it. We'll catch a trade today. We just gotta be patient. If we don't, we'll try again in the morning, but
Price target.
I think we will.
Pretty soon. put me on first and then okay guys, okay. It's okay. No hard feelings. We're all being straight. And I know some of you are still on 9 kilos. The reason why I took the notes because we were inside of a hot box. The 6-0 level is just the bottom of the hot box for our hot box. That's why I told
Appreciate all the follows, TikTok. Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning.
hot box is 4 kilo.
I'm gonna do another giveaway this week as well, everyone. I got some different accounts. I may do a couple this week. Probably not today, but I gotta make sure exactly what I have. Make a list. DJ, appreciate you for hanging out in the TikTok live. DJ Tay reactions. That's what I was talking about. But I appreciate you too, Boss DJ. Let's see if we what time is it? We got about 6 minutes. See what happens. Yep, 6 minutes, Nick. Appreciate it. I'm just glad to be back trading with you all. That long weekend seems like forever. See if we can keep the win streak going this week. NinjaTrader's okay. It's a little more. It's not as user friendly as Tradeovate. In my opinion. Yeah, TradingView is being weird, everyone. I don't know. It's just something that happens with charts. Thinkorswim used to be my go-to charting, which is still great. Nothing wrong with it. Can we run up the likes, thumbs up? While we got a minute? We just can't get above this point of control. You all see how we keep retesting it and just rejecting hard? No way I would consider a long position until we closed above it. You understand how we use point of control here, right? Basically, our volume base support or resistance. right now. It's our volume-based resistance. Yes, it is, Corey. Why does it keep kicking my audio off? I didn't even mute it that time. All right.
Looking to see if I get the
Minute 45 until Supreme Court, I guess their opinion or whatever it is, on tariffs.
Are they actually releasing it at 10, or is it?
Man, I can't keep up with it. They're doing it every week. I don't know what they're doing for sure. I wish they would just decide. Quit messing with their trading.
Yeah, I got gains to make, baby.
Yeah.
I got payouts to get. Come on. Bull flag breaking out. If we could get this aggressive candle up with confirming volume, I'd look for a pullback into here, into this entire zone. It's the lowest kind of 98,300. Maybe a pullback into like 330s with stops below like 297. I'd be open to that. If we can get a strong candle up, I would be open to that idea for sure. Must have hard stops below like 297, but it's definitely a potential idea. Could go target these four. Yeah, I want to say these 400s. That'd be my next target. I don't think we're gonna get the volume I want to see though.
All right. CDP, I have not set up no new alerts. What's the difference? Not set up a new alert in a minute.
All right. Well, that doesn't give me anything that I need. We rejected an aggressive wick off the 15-minute high, and we're above pre-market high. Lower volumes. That does absolutely nothing for me from a systematic standpoint.
I don't see us moving up here.
Still gonna choose DOD.
I just don't see it.
Still gonna choose discipline over dopamine. Wait, trade smart, trade safe. I've gotten so many messages from you guys across social media about how DOD is.
I'm not in a trade. Have they rolled anything yet? Any updates?
Let's see if we can get some sort of confirmation either way. I don't think we got the tariff decision, bro. I think it's just never coming.
I don't like any longs, Team Bull. No long positions as long as we hold under this 25-347, which is point of control. We just keep rejecting it.
If we shows price action below 260 maybe in the shorts.
Alright, just waiting for our A+ setup to confirm. We're stuck in this range still. I have no rush on any sort of setup. Just gonna trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient.
Appreciate that, Thomas.
Still no trade in this, guys. Look at this 5-minute candle closure. Between pre-market
Excuse me.
high, still above the 50% retracement. I have no trades in this area. Volume didn't confirm either way.
Come on, give us a trade.
Just waiting.
We want a trade.
I'm gonna make the trade of a lifetime. Put all trading profits on Broncos winning the Super Bowl. Plus 1,100 odds. Gene, come say hello quick. Use the restroom. Gene.
No, I don't see anything here, Nate. Not anything. The dashboard has been telling us down all morning. Like it's been pointing down all morning since market open. So Dang. So no tariff decision today.
See how this 5-minute candle plays out. Wait, put one more minute on it. 20. If we get a close here, a strong close below these levels, strong body and rising volume, I'll look for a push back up for shorts with stops above like 324. Okay, we'll look for move to like 300-ish area in here with stops above this 324.
What's up, Blap? What are you trading?
Hey guys, 260. So what happened here?
Sorry to hear that, by the way. It's no good.
What we do?
Let's see. I'm watching for a short setup to move back into like 290 to 300. So my main watch right now is stops above 325.
I like that setup Jadon's talking about.
325. So I'm watching for. I'll let you guys know if and when I enter.
It's just risky in this area. Yeah, I like it. I like shorts in the 90s. Stops above this previous 5 minute.
Might reject early down here in the 280s though. Let's see.
Yeah. Well, let's have to keep her stopping and accept it if we have a losing trade here. We'll have to keep her stops right there at 324. If we get into 90s, I'm going to try a light size of shorts, okay?
Looking for above 290.
I don't know if we're going to get it.
Might reject just a little bit early. I want to see like this 290 to 300 area for shorts with stops above this 325. It might be rejecting early though. If it does reject early, I will have no FOMO. Follow my plan, staying patient. How price action's been, I don't want to force anything. I want to make sure I have my risk intact. DOD. If we end up flushing it right here, I miss my entry, that's completely okay with me.
I like that setup you're talking about, Jadon. I'm going to try it with you if we get up there. This is the area.
Feeling good.
All right. Watching this. I am going to start a small size of shorts up here, guys. Added a piece shorts up here with stops at 325. Hard stops at 325.
I tried shorts as well, everyone. On M&Q, I'm short. I got a bad feel, though.
I'd like to see a flush down below 260s, but I do have stops at 325 just in case. I got a great feel on that too.
I got a horrible feel, man. I bought in the 90s. It failed me in the 80s. I'm not
I
for
got a
sure what
great
happened.
feel on that. It's crazy.
It's weird.
I'm sorry. I'll share half my feel with you.
Yeah,
I do have a hard
split the
stop at
difference.
325. It's already up, depending on your fill.
Opening print would be a nice price target. 243.
I'd love to see a flush below this 260. It's up about 20 points if you got a great fill. I have not taken any profit off though.
Literally, I did market, but I tried to get in the 90s, and it must have just dropped down real quick and filled me in the upper 80s. It happens
I
sometimes.
have not taken anything off. I'd actually move below this, like 265.
Come on, push down for us. Give us a nice push down. We need a winning trade. We was patient. We're doing things right. So, pay us. Pay us. Let's rip straight down.
Rip straight down, come on. It went 20 points, but not enough for me to take anything off, so I would rather let this work and potentially even stop me out than sell early and mess up my risk reward on this trade. I have my stops at 325.
Remember, if you're oversized in this trade, if you're feeling anxious maybe, just lower your position here. You know, you should be in profit. Lower your positions. Get out the stress out of your trade. Nothing wrong with it.
Come on. Come on, push it down. I'm going to go ahead and move my stops down to at 300. So we are technically at 1-to-1 if you guys want to take any off down here. Just above 1-to-1. I'm moving my stops down to 300, so barely red if I get stopped at. Just a few points.
261 for our trim first.
I'm going to go ahead and take a little off down here too, guys, just to be safe. It's technically a Monday. It's a Tuesday, but it's technically a Monday. My stops are still set at 300. So, it'll be small green day if I get stopped out. I'd like to see, ideally, move to like 260s. Look at this. The flush below 260 would make me very happy.
Come on. This previous day, point of control has dad strength.
Come on.
Rip down. Quit playing with us.
Come on. Flush below 260. Let's go.
Come on.
Come on.
Do it.
Come on, puppy. Come on, baby. Come on. Give us a situation down.
Wrong way.
Wrong. Good. Not that way. Not that down. Other down. Other down. That's upwards dog. We want downward dog. Went downwards dog. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. Out of this trade. We might still keep going down. But I'm personally out of this trade. We gotta move from like 9.
I'm still in it. I'm following the original stop loss.
If I see something I like, if I re-enter, Grizzly's still in, I am personally out of this trade.
I'm still in. I want to see if we get the first price target, then open and print, everyone.
If we close this candle weak, can't look for entry, but I'm taking my small green.
What is that?
Got about 30 points still on that.
262 where I trim.
It goes up on kings.
There we go. I'm trimming. Took my first trim, everyone. There we go. Push on down.
Really.
Appreciate it, man. I'd like to get this open in print for the next trim, Team Bull. If you can see my screen, this 243.5 area. I move your stop down to whatever your average is. That way, if it goes up, it's a green trade regardless. There we go. We may get it here on this push.
Thinking about it. Yeah, let the JSI fire. I'm down. I got my daily bread. I'm chilling.
Come
Got
on.
my daily bread. I am chilling.
Uh-oh, look, this candle looks good.
That
Come on.
last 5 minutes, that honestly looks great.
Yeah, it looks great. Come on.
That little wick, that looks incredible. This right here, mixed with the volume, looks great for continuation of the downside. I'd even argue you could look for a move up to like 280. What stops above 300, 303, like a whole separate trade.
Is anybody making any money on this with me?
Or you can look for a pop up and try like 270, 280. Stops like 303. That looks really good. Team Bull, let's get, while we're waiting for this trade of Grizzlies to play out, it's a Tuesday roll call. Tuesday roll call. Tuesday.
I'm out of this trade, everyone.
Tuesday, well,
Trade's over.
talk to the team. Hope you guys made some money on that.
Trade is over.
That's why I originally stopped at 300. Because I was worried about that much stuff. You guys got some of that. You guys pay yourselves. Crude base hits add up. What do you guys make on that trade?
Was this a tweet there?
Crude base hits add up. What did you guys make on that? 215, 248, 269, 141, 900. Base hits add up maybe 120, 500, 650, 400. Let's go. Hey, $11, we'll take it. 700, 1700, 487, 67. That's great.
What a push up on.
I love the base hits.
I'm not buying that push up here.
I love base hits. Not buying the push up.
Not yet. Not until we get above that 25,347. Made some sushi money. How much did I make from that trade? I made $737 on my personal. It's not my best, but I'll take it. Sushi money locked in.
That that candle looks great too in the 5-minute Grizzly. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's like we had a tweet or something.
No.
I don't know what happened.
That looks great. Looks like a whole other good potential trade too. It's honestly surprising he did that.
Friendly reminder, Team Bull, we've had one losing day, and that was 2 Fridays ago. The rest have been all wins in 2026.
And I'm watching the silver and silver. 93.675. Well, I'm gonna be taking this call. On the loans.
You didn't trim and took a loss. Well, you know why you took the loss at least, you know. Start from there and look, get you trading right. I trade live every day on here with you all. Make sure you hit the follow. That might be the only trade we get. We'll see. I'm going to hang out a bit longer if you all are down to stick around. No, I'm not in the trade. We made money earlier. So. Now that previous candle had decent volume. We could see to finally get the close above this. And I'm open to a long entry if we get confirmation. But you all seen before, nothing was saying up. Thank you, Red.
Rain 1058 said $300 away from passing another account, from blowing accounts to passing one about every week. DoD works and base hits gave me it. That's amazing. Give that man some fire emojis.
Any questions for me, TikTok, YouTube? Nice. 16,000 likes on TikTok. CMS, why did we take the trade? I'll tell you what, I'll make a video, a recap today for YouTube, okay? On that trade for you all. I'll make it real short, like a couple minutes. So take the time to watch it. Hobbs, we are about to get some snow this week. I wonder how much we'll get here this coming weekend. I don't think they know at this point. You're welcome, Dan. Oh, really? Does anybody know how much East Tennessee is supposed to get? I would look, but I'm streaming off all my phones right now. Excuse me. This dry weather keeps me coughing in the winter. I don't know. East Dex, you mean Tennessee? I have not day traded silver. I think I might have tried it once. I'm not even for sure. But people are saying they're liking silver for day trading. Like it's been working well for them. So if you all want to DM me some, ideas, some setups and stuff, we can talk about it, see if we can implement it here in our lives together. How's my home gym coming along? It's on a standstill right now. Uh, one reason permit, another is the electrical work. So that's where I'm at. Plenty of time for questions. We had one winning trade to start the week here. I made exactly $730. Well, right at it. Am I looking for a buy right now? I'm not looking for anything right now. If we could get some volume above this range, and that wasn't it on the 15, but we're looking at the 15-minute on TikTok. I have the 30-minute range up on YouTube, so what was I gonna say? Oh, real quick, everyone. As soon as I start to say something, I get pinged in another chat. If you wanna try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit, pick which one you like. Use code Grizzly. There's a lot of recently there've been a lot of prop firms. I'm not gonna mention names because I don't talk bad about people or companies, just because it's not my place. But the ones I have in my website have been proven. If you'd like to try them out. This looks decent here. We got to close above point of control. It's just not confirmed yet though. This point of control me. Highest volume point on this time frame during this session. It was our resistance, but we finally got to close above it. I'm just not for sure we have enough buyers here to push us on up. Enough aggressive buying. Previous week low is the only short area I'm looking for now. See if we get it up there. Yeah, they don't want you to. Prop firms don't like bots that like trade every 2 seconds taking trades. I guess that's why, DJ. They don't like that type of trading. If this candle could get high volume, we could justify getting in longs here. Stop below point of control. But we'd have to get quite a bit of volume here. What are you thinking right here, Jadon?
I'm likely not going to take anything else. I mean, I think longs are looking better. Clearly, we're getting a few aggressive candles in a row. We're going to have some confirming volume on this next candle. Could arguably look for a pullback to like 370 with stops below like 350-ish. Or a little safer entry, wait for pullback into like this 357 to 320 zone. 50-minute high to pre-market high, and then just keep stops below like pre-market high. That's what I'd personally look for. What about you? What are you thinking?
I like it longs here. If we just pull back just a little bit in the 70s, maybe, because our stop will have to be 347. It's just a tough morning though, this price action. I'm gonna try a light size of longs here, everyone. Light. It'll be a green day regardless if this hits my stop or not. I'm gonna keep my stops at 347 below point of control. That would invalidate it. Technically, it wouldn't invalidate until we close below, but that's all I'm willing to risk. I'm in the longs, M&Q longs.
Grizzly in the longs. I don't hate the setup either.
I'm gonna trim around 92-ish, 93-ish.
A new high day incoming. Here it comes. Inbound.
Rip up.
Inbound.
$71.80 was my entry. Stop is 340, right below that point of control. You can see on my chart. POC, right below that is stop. Right where that previous candle wick is. Bottom.
Grizzly, the next possible date for a tariff ruling is February 20th. The court's taking a 4-week break.
Thank God.
Yep. Supreme Court declined to rule on Trump's tariffs on Tuesday, implying that a challenge to his signature economic policy will take at least another month to resolve. The court is ready to take a 4-week recess, and according to its customary procedures for issuing decisions, the next possible date for a tariff ruling is February 20th. Look at that retest of that 15-minute high. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. Boom, boom. See if we can get high day now.
Oh.
Kendall looks good. The wick looks good.
There we go. Trim.
There you go. Yep.
Oh, what
Nice.
happened? Oh, I accidentally closed out my entire position there. My bad. I thought I had my
Okay.
position size adjusted. I closed out everything there. The tray's not over yet. Trim, move your stop to entry. Don't do like I did. See if we can get above the final price target is 420.75. 420.75.
How dare you close your entire position? How rude.
It was rude. They put me let's see, what was it? Four figures starting the week. Even though I messed up.
Wow, look at that.
Yep. I feel that, Keith. Tell her my bad. I sold all for you. Not really. It's an accident, but still. 2 winning trades, everyone. 25, 420.75 is your final. I would trim here though, for sure. But if you have enough, hold until that.
Pretty. Pretty move.
There it is, right at it. Keep telling you all, this is going to be our best trading year ever, as far as the lives go. Spread the word about the lives on here. Listen, there's plenty of room for all of us to make money, you know. But everyone, that is it for me today. Make sure you watch the recap I post. I've got to recap 2 trades now. So there's going to be 2 trades getting in that video. 2 winning trades to start the week. Peace, everyone.